Doing a shift star upgrade. Having a lot of issues where as I'm coming out of first gear, getting into 100 something miles an hour, when I go to change gears, I end up in a false neutral. So I reached out to a company that does some billet work and had this shift star machine for me. And that is the factory shift star. And this is the one they made for me. And you'll notice these valleys here, they are deeper. And it's a little bit more aggressive how it drops down. And that is to kind of pull it into gear a little bit more aggressively and make it difficult for it to pop out of gear. So I've got clutch pack off. I've got everything basically out of the way. I need to get to that shift star and get it out, and I've got a replacement spring as well, a little bit stiffer, and it's sized correctly for this replacement shift star. So this should help with my issues of it popping in or popping out of gear. The false neutrals are they're a little bit irritating. I had one right towards the end of the season where we were playing around, messing with the 600s, and nothing more embarrassing than popping out of gear and getting left behind when you're on something with 1000 cc. So doing the shift star replacement, and I'll keep you guys updated.